I'm pretty nervous, actually. So I've had to bring some support with me. I don't have enough Chinese to... Actually, I don't know any Chinese to talk about haircuts. I'm just going to ask for a trim and see how they react. Hello. This one. Let's go to the upstairs room. Where are we going? Google Translate is the best thing.
See, it's not scary at all, is it?
No. My palms are sweaty under here.
Start growing your hair.
I realised short hair didn't suit me for the...
It does. It was like 20.
God, it was like 23 years of my life. Oh, good God. The scary thing for me about getting my hair cut is that I always have that dreaded fear that it's not going to grow back.
Yeah, but it is.
I know, but I have a fear because of the giant forehead, as everyone can see on the camera, the forehead size. I really like that guy's leopard print shirt over there. Good. It cost 79 RMB, that. Around £9. Yes, the fear of them cutting all my hair off by accident, making me look like a pretty little girl, again, is always there. But I got called handsome as I left. Thank you, yep, handsome boy. My Chinese is terrible. When I went in, I had to Google some buzzwords because things don't translate right, like trim doesn't refer to your hair being trimmed. But just a short video today. Just thought I'd take you on a journey that could have ended worse than it did. My hair always won't look like this, so you won't have to watch. Like and subscribe. There.